Hey there, my name is Armin Küllmer. I'm a medical doctor and gastroenterologist. I work at the University Hospital of Freiburg in southern Germany, and I'm the head of the endoscopy unit. My role at the FTRD training course is to provide tips and tricks for the upcoming gastroenterologists on how to avoid complications. Of course, it's a different situation when you are at a hands-on course in contrast to actually treating a patient. So there are some obstacles to overcome. Moreover, I present the clinical data on the system as well. And I'd also want to encourage the young endoscopists to have fun with the technique and to use it in their daily routine. A highlight for me of the whole day at the FTRD training course is that at the beginning, the participants, they come as complete beginners. They probably know about the technique, but they haven't really experienced it. And afterwards, after a few hours, they actually leave the training campus and are confident to use it in their daily routine.